Welcome to the Plugandan Holiday Baking Show. Here are the contestants.
Hey, I'm Susan DeSopo. I'm gonna win, and I know I'm gonna win this contest because girl power rules.
Hello, I'm Bill Miller. My mom, dog, rat, and all my family died from ligma. 7-year-old. 7-year-old. This is my dog's skull. Like I was saying. It was a sad moment in my life.
Hello, my name is Alex Case. I live with my 6 beautiful angels, aka my doggies, La, Pa, Ya, Da, and Ra. I made such a good chocolate cake for them once that one of them, Ra, fell asleep for such a long time. He's still asleep. So that's why I'm cooking here today.
The first dish that the contestants will be cooking is a bowl of ramen.
I don't really know how to make ramen.
Why'd they have to start out with such a hard dish? I should be fine though. Made ramen a couple times.
I'm ready. I know how to make ramen, I think.
Your cooking time starts in 3, 2, 1. Alex seems to be starting with a noodle base with some oats. Bill is using various cereals and peanut butter to make his ramen.
Dried pears.
Break it open.
For a little dizzle dazzle on top, we're using
Bill seems very confused. Uh-oh, it looks like Bill spilled some of the cereal. Alex is adding in a grape to spice up his dish. Uh-oh, it looks like Alex doesn't know how to use the equipment. Bill seems to be using some fruit juice as the broth for his ramen. You must be done baking in 3, 2, 1. Hands off.
The best thing about it is I think it curdles. It kind of looks like a boat in waters.
3, 2, 1. Hands
This
off.
is done.
You must be done baking in 3, 2, 1. Hands off.
Now it is time for me to eat the contestants' ramen.
Romaine.
That is not ramen. What did you do?
This is mine.
Here is Alex Case's dish.
Yes, this is very good ramen. The grape brings such good seasoning to the dish. I wish we could have cooked the noodles. You didn't cook them. Okay, next dish.
Here is Bill Miller's dish.
Thank you.
There's more. Oh! I'm gonna spill the ramen!
Eat the sauce. Nope.
It's my bad.
So this is the sauce. Blood cereal. Very good ramen. Expert cook right here. I like the milk. This very bad, but it's good. I had enough. Next dish.
Here is Susan DeSopo's dish.
Good. I would have liked if you sliced more cheese into the dish. Like so. That would make ramen noodle. The best part of this dish, the saka. What? What? I don't know why this here. It doesn't make any sense. But it's fine. Because it gave the... I'm gonna have a bite of all together. Very good. Thank you. Contestants, all of your dishes were very, very, very good, is what I would say if any of them were good at all, but none of them were. They all sucked terrible. My mouth, I think I'll have the diarrhea for the next 5 months. Although all the dishes were equally horrendous, I have to eliminate one of you from the competition. Actually, we're running out of time. The TV station wants to take away our broadcast. They say it is harmful to the environment. So I have to eliminate 2 of you this round. Susan DeSopo, your dish was so bad. Word cannot express how much I want to die when I eat your dish. You're the first I eliminate from the competition. I'm sorry, but not really. You should be the one saying sorry because I think I might need mouth surgery after this one. Bill Miller, your dish was absolute garbage. Really. It tastes like, how do I put this nicely? There's no way to put it nicely. It was suck. It sucked very bad. It's Chuck Moll that does world's strongest vacuum cleaner. However, Alex Case, your dish did not live up to Bill Miller dish. Alex Case, you are out of this competition. Bill Miller, you won. I would say good job, but no, you suck. Please go take cooking lessons. Alright.
What up, boys? We'll see you in part 2!